I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
Hey you guys, it's your girl. I'm back, Little Miss Curls 82. Mwah! Kisses to you all. Thanks so much for tuning in. As you can tell by the title, I decided to do a quick brow tutorial. So everywhere I go, people want to know, yeah, I said it, who does my brows? And I must say that I learned from the best right here on YouTube and how to fill in my brows to make them look natural and just stand out even when I'm not wearing a full face of makeup. So I wanted to do this short video just to show you guys the simple things that I use to get these brows looking like they're on what? Fleek. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, like, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for tuning in.